Okay, next I'm going to show you how to save a part template, which is also important, so that you don't have to recreate what you have already created for a part, the custom properties. So once you have these custom properties for this part, and stating that the part is in millimeter, gram, and seconds, you can also adjust different properties for the parts from the options and document properties, which I'm not going to go into now. So once you have created these custom properties, all you have to do is to save it as I'll save it as a copy, and I'll continue with this part, and the saved part is going to be closed. So I'll change the type to part dot. That's a part template. And automatically it's going to switch to the templates folder, in which you can use the parts. Okay, but before I don't want to mistaken to save the parts, whatever the part is here. So what I'm going to do is this: I'll delete all of these. I should have deleted step by step. Delete the absorb futures, delete this as well, delete the absorb futures, and delete the sketch, and there you go. So I don't know why this set of planes are like this. I don't have anything drawn here, so I cannot do yeah, it doesn't change. Okay, anyway, so I cleaned it. Now I can save it as a copy and continue. No, I'll save it as file name without changing reference order. The copy will save to this. I'll save it and open this one, and I'll save it as a part dot. And I'll change the name to project part template. So it's save as copy and open. You can change it here as well, and say OK. And next I'm going to close this without saving it. Be careful, the original document, don't save it. And this is the original document. This is part template. I'm sorry. I'll close this as well. No, I don't want to save it again. Discard changes in assembly. I don't want to. So now when I say open new file, go to advanced, I will be able to see the parts project template here because I have saved it into the templates folder. You can copy that from there. So let's copy it. To copy it, I need a part so that I can save it as, and open this, go to part dots so that I switch to the templates folder. Now I can copy this to any folder I want. I can carry it with me, and I'm not going to save it. I just needed this to attach, access this folder. So now when I say open new file, I can use the project part templates and open it. And now you can see the custom properties, and you can also see the equations here. There you go. since there's no part, they're going to equal to 0, so that you don't have to do all those calculations over again. So this is the part template. I'll close it and switch to the assembly. Next, I'm going to show the drawing template. For the drawing template, maybe I shall go over the sheet template, which I have shown before. So let me go over this very quickly. Right click and say, okay, I'm going to stop here and I'll show it on another video. Okay.